Hi guys, in today's video I will show you LED LCD TV no picture problem and what are the voltages required to run the display of a TV. There are two conditions for no picture. First is when backlight is not working and how to check this. Power on your TV and focus light of a torch or your phone's light. If you see a picture or display, it means your panel and T-con are okay but its backlights are not working. Its solution is to change the backlights. Now coming to second condition, when backlight is working and scalar PCB or T-con board is not working. Power on your TV and gently knock the screen with your finger. If you see the light flickering around your finger, it means your TV backlights are working but its T-con or scalar PCB is not working. Check its voltage and repair or replace T-con board. These are the basic voltages required for picture or display. There are testing points on almost each T-con board or scalar PCB. Put the meter on DC voltage range. Ground the black probe and check VIN. It should be 12 volts. Next voltage is VGL. It should be from -5 volt to -8 volt. Then VGH voltage, it should be around 25 volt to 30 volt. Next voltage is VDD or in some models it is called AVDD and it should be around 15 volt to 20 volt. Next voltage you have to check is HVDD. Guys, it is almost half of the VDD. Last important voltage is VCC. It is 3.3 volt. So if you are not getting these voltages, repair the DC to DC area. If not possible, simply change the T-con board. You will have your picture back. Please like the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.